Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do another love bite for you. Let's see what's in store for you, for your love life, for your life, or anything else that wants to show up for you today. So these are general collective readings, Gemini, will not resonate with each and every one of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Angel Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So, Gemini, before we begin, let's take a blessing from our angels to top the reading and get on with it. Okay? So, my angels, what do you have for my precious gems now? Blessing or an advice card? Blessing or an advice card for Gemini, please? Okay, so this one. All right, let's keep this aside, Gemini. Let's put the rest back. So the blessing we have for you, Gemini, today is pause. So a bit of standstill at the moment, Gemini. You don't know which direction you're going, and let's see why this pause is here. Let's open your cards and see how it's going to resonate with the rest of your reading. Why are you experiencing a pause right now? So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support. I'm very, very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Gemini, it's going to be a simple 9-card spread and we'll take some advice from the universe at the end if required. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gemini, you can reach me at my email, which is in the description box below. The Star. All right. Wishing for something, Gemini. Just finished the Libra reading. Sorry, slip of the tongue. This reading is for Gemini. So the first card I have for you here, Gemini, is the Page of Swords. 10 of Swords. 9 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the Death card, 4 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and the Lovers. Here you show in your own reading. Gemini, this is your card, the Lovers card. So yes, some decisions have to be made, it seems, where love is concerned. So in the past, I think something was done which was not really authentic, I would say. Maybe somebody was a little greedy here, or they were self-indulgent. It was always what made them feel better. This is the way I do things. This is the way what makes me happy. And this was not the best way to go about things, because it was a little mischievous. Yes, somebody didn't invest into a relationship when the time was right. Okay, they did something mischievous here, and maybe were a little self-indulgent, or it was almost like, I'm happy and that's really what matters, and I like to do things this way, and maybe did not invest into something that they should have, which brought about an ending with the 10 of Swords. Yes, this could have this could have ended up to be a very, very powerful connection. It had all the makings of the 10 of Pentacles. It could have gone the long distance. This could have been a very stable relationship. And the feeling was there, I think, but because one person was a little selfish here and did not invest when the time was right, it led to a very bad ending. Yes, it was almost like bad luck, I think maybe whatever bad deed this person did, Gemini, this could be you, this could be your cross-watcher, right? They felt that, yes, I got hit by karma and I got what I deserved, because maybe this relationship just ended. Okay, something that could have been beautiful or had the potential of being beautiful. Now there is no wish fulfillment here with the 9 of Cups in reverse. There is no happiness. All there is a huge regret of the past. What did I do? I should have taken action when the time was there, and now there is no more happiness to be had. Maybe there was a third party situation, because this person is looking back at all the 3 spilt cups and looking back into history to see what did I do, how did this just go wrong, and something that could have been so fabulous has now turned into the Nine of Cups in reverse. Okay, so Nine of Cups, one more. Yes, maybe somebody was a player in the past, okay, and but this person thought they could get away with it, even though they saw the potential in this relationship as being very stable and could go the long distance. This person didn't invest in, and they were kind of indulging in other pleasures. Okay, this Knight of Wands was a little greedy and said, hey, I don't want one cup, Ace of Cups, I want 9 cups, or maybe more than one cup. So whatever it was a wrong decision made. Now they feel karma has kind of given them what they deserve, and all they can do is now look back and regret and stress and tension. Somebody wants a new beginning here with the Ace of Pentacles. Somebody is now looking for an Ace of Pentacles, because now they see this person as shining. They see this person as their star. They see this person as their wish fulfillment. They know that this is the right direction that they should have gone in. And now this person, whoever was the player here, is now looking for a fresh new beginning. They want to come in swift and fast and have some kind of communication with this person to kind of bring in transformation. They are right now, I think, feeling rather foolish. Okay, they're not sure whether this feminine is going to allow them a fresh new beginning. They fear that there will be barriers now. There may not be a smooth road ahead, but they are desperately wanting to put an death to whatever didn't happen well in the past and bring in a brand new transformation. Something that can really transform this relationship back again. Yes, they are looking towards this, I think, Queen of Wands now, who they find very attractive, very passionate, very, like a go-getter, and they see this person shining now and want to now move ahead. Or there is a problem here, maybe. One second, this card was actually crossed, okay, so this could be the third party situation. I think this person is still lingering here, Gemini. And that is going to lead to another Tower moment here. Because why I'm saying it is because the Queen of Wands is crossed and there is a Queen of Pentacles here. Okay, so this is the person that this person wants to head towards, but it's still crossed by the Queen of Wands here. And somebody wants to end this relationship, and that's going to be another Tower moment. Yes, this person is right now at crossroads. They're trying to choose between two. Okay, they want to bring in a transformation. They want to have a sudden change where they can change their life. But right now there's something to be put to rest before they can take action. I have the Queen of Pentacles again, right? So yes, this person is getting a bit restless. They are seeing, I think, this Queen of Pentacles holding back from them, and that's kind of scaring this person to feel that there may not be a fresh new beginning. What if this person doesn't accept me back? Because I think this Queen of Wands is still in their energy right now. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Why is this Four of Pentacles here? Yes, this Queen of Pentacles is holding back from this King of Wands, who's in reverse at the moment, because this person was a bit selfish in the past, right? This person was self-indulgent, was selfish, was maybe playing around, and I have a Queen of Pentacles now holding back from this King of Pentacles, King of Wands, even though I think this masculine King of Wands wants to now transform, is regretful, is wanting to now change things around, wanting the Wheel of Fortune now to move towards this Queen of Pentacles. So, Queen of Pentacles, Spirit, what's this Queen of Pentacles? they want to come in with an apology now. They want to come in with an apology, a sorry, to say, hey, I'm sorry, I kind of got distracted with this Queen of Wands, and I want to change, and I want to put things right. I don't want to be selfish anymore. I see you as nurturing, caring, giving, the perfect spouse, and I have high regard for you, because the Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. So this person is seen in very high light, it seems. So lovers, what's this choice to be made, Spirit? Too many cards. What's this choice that's going to be made? Somebody wants to have clear communication now. They want to make a choice between two. They want to bring back justice to this situation. They want to have a conversation which can lead both of you going in the right direction now. There's a lot of attraction. It's a feeling of soulmates. We're destined to be together. We are connected. But without this conversation and justice, there is a possibility, Gemini, of losing this love altogether. So till this choice is not made, Libra, there is a possibility of this union never ever coming back together. Yes, it can lead to a total halt of this relationship. So this is the choice that has to be made. There has to be clarity. There has to be justice here, without which there is no love. Okay, so at the moment there's a lot of stagnant energy. One is somebody is wishing, hoping, fearing the worst, but wanting to head towards the feminine who was left behind, who is now seen as the perfect partner. But this King of Pentacles still has to, I think, get his act together, has to kind of put a death to the old situation before they can even head towards their true love. So let's take 3 cards of advice. Yes, no wonder there's a pause going on here, Gemini, in your life. Things are still up in the air. Okay, the past has not been released yet, and that is why there is a fear that there is a possibility of this perfect union not coming into balance. Somebody has to do the right thing first. So 3 cards of advice, Spirit, for Gemini. Yes, again, same thing. Somebody is at crossroads here, having to make a decision. They want to charge ahead and move on with their life. They want to take a fresh leap of faith and start something new. So let's clarify what these are. What's this 2 of Wands, Spirit, for Gemini? What's this 2 of Wands? This person is fearful, I think, that it can lead to a conflict. They are scared that whatever choice they made, one may lead to a conflict and one may lead to happiness. So they are trying to make a wise choice here as to what to do. Whoever they leave, I think, will end up as a fight, so that they can move to their happily ever after. And this person is kind of little confused right now, trying to halt or pause and see the best way forward to make this decision so they can get off. This could be 2 people, right? So you leave one out, there's going to be a fight for this person to move towards their happiness. So this person is not moving at all at the moment at crossroads. There is a pause, there is a lot of planning, there is a lot of thinking going on. Chariot, what's this Chariot? Chariot. Yes, right now this person is still kind of keeping their eye open to see what is the best course of action for them, who they should move towards, what will bring them the perfect balance here. They think of taking action and then they stop themselves. They think of taking action, then they stop themselves. They want to be very, very clear about the direction that they want to go towards, right? So that whatever decision they make can actually give them their happiness and their equal partnership. So what's this Fool card for Gemini? Gemini is, okay. Fool card for Gemini. The this person is still very confused. They definitely want to have a fresh new beginning. They want to have this committed relationship, but I think right now there are still a lot of secrets being kept here, Gemini. Whoever the masculine is, I think, is still not revealing all. There's still a lot of confusion. There is still some juggling going on. So the advice here is, I think, for the feminine to stay strong and not get pulled into something which may put them back into the same chapter of feeling like a fool, okay, or feeling foolish. So the advice here is to the feminine: stay strong, do not give in to anything that you feel, hold back, do not reveal all your secrets. There is some juggling still going on here. Even though I think the masculine is wanting a fresh new beginning, the past is not yet closed out. Okay, so be a little careful. There is a bit of pause here. Wait and watch. Okay, don't make any sudden moves or go back into any false promises till you are sure, okay, that this masculine has actually made a decision for their life. So that's all I have for you. Otherwise, feminine, you have your free will. You're free to move towards anything new and explore any new avenues that you want. Okay? That's all I have. Love and light. Take care. Namaste, Gemini. Take care.